how to do it. And in this video I'm gonna show you how you can um, how to stop watching a sensitive content on your Instagram account. Okay, so this is really gonna short tutorial for you to just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So now let's go to your Instagram account. So I'm just going to my account and then click your profile, then go to your profile, three line, top right corner on your screen you can see here, click on this and then click settings, this one, and then scroll down, then here is the option account, so click accounts and here is the option sensitive content control. Okay, this one, so simply click on this, then here you will get three options. Choose how much sensitive content to see, and there is a point that you cannot stop watching completely 100%. So if you choose this one less, then confirm, and after that you might see less sensitive content. Okay, so you can try it in your own account. Okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.